New York, October 6, Reuters, U.S. Treasury debt yields rose on Friday after data shows the world's largest economy lost jobs last month due to the impact of Hurricanes Harvey and Irma, but details of the report such as the unemployment rate and wage growth suggested an improving labor market. The report did not shake expectations for a decision to raise interest rates at the Federal Reserve's monetary policy meeting in December. U.S. 2-year yields, meanwhile, soared to their highest in 9 years. The Labor Department said on Friday non-farm payrolls fell by 33,000 jobs last month amid a record drop in employment in the leisure and hospitality sector. But the unemployment rate fell to 4.2%, the lowest since February 2001. The average hourly earnings, meanwhile, increased 12 cents or 0.5% in September after rising 0.2% in August. Looking through the numbers, you have the average hourly earnings higher than expected, and the revisions on the average hourly earnings stronger too, said Jason Salente, Senior Portfolio Manager at Insight Investments in New York. It does reflect a tightening labor market. The bond market is taking cue from this and other stronger aspects of the report, he added. Following the U.S. jobs data, the rate futures market has priced in a more than 90% chance of a Fed tightening in December, according to CME's FedWatch. Investors had already factored in the impact of the hurricanes on the U.S. economy, so they were not fazed by the loss of jobs last month. In addition, market participants have been focusing less and less on the headline payrolls number, and instead have turned their attention to wage growth in mid-morning trading. The benchmark 10-year U.S. Treasury note yield rose to its highest since May 11 and was last at 2.393%. The 30-year yield also climbed to its strongest level since August 1, and last traded at 2.922%. U.S. 2-year note yields surged to a 9-year peak, and last changed hands at 1.520%. October 6, Friday 9:27 am New York, 1327 GMT price US T-bonds deck 7151 1630 seconds 024/32 10-year notes deck 7124 204 256 092/256 price current yield percent net change. BPS 3-month bills 1.061.07740.0076 month bills 1.2051.2290.01 2-year no 99 184 25 61.52020.025 3-year no 99 46 25 61.66280.03 5-year no 99 120 25 61.98 8770.0407 year no 99 92 25 62.22460.0441 year note 98 196 25 62.39130.0413 year bond 96 152 25 62.92170.029 swap spreads last, BPS net change. BPS US 2-year dollar swap spread 27.000.00 3-year dollar swap spread 24.500.25 U.S. 5-year dollar swap spread 7.750.00 U.S. 10-year dollar swap spread 4.500.50 U.S. 30-year dollar swap spread 32.000.75